Hello and welcome to the spoken tutorial on print function. In this tutorial, you will learn syntax of print function, parenthesis in print function, arguments in a print function. Print function is used to print the result. We'll go to the Jupyter notebook. This notebook is named as print function. Now in the first line, I will type print in parenthesis in quotes how are you? Question mark. Print function is always written in a parenthesis. Inside parenthesis, there may or may not be quotes. If quotes are used, then it may be single quote, it may be double quote, it may be triple quote. I will explain in a few minutes about presence or absence of quotes. Now in order to see the output of this print function, we'll click on run. After we click on run, it gives the output without quotes, without parentheses. It means that the print function gives output which is written in quotes, in parentheses. Let us see more examples of print double quotes my name is Prashant, and we'll run this. We are getting the output. What difference have you noticed here? In the first line of code, we have used single quotes. In the second line of quotes, we have used double quotes. We'll print one more example. In India is fighting better with COVID-19 than developed countries. Run. We are getting the output as present within the quotes, within the parentheses. It means that whatever is written in the quotes will be printed. The content of parenthesis is called as argument. In the first quote, the argument is how are you? In the second line of code, argument is my name is Prashant. In the third line of code, argument is India is fighting better with COVID-19 than developed countries. Argument may be string, data type or variable. I will talk more on string, data type or variable in upcoming videos. A function can take one or more argument, or it can take no argument. All the three codes which we have written were given only one argument. Now we will type print and I have not passed any argument to this print function, and I will click on run. It still executes the command and nothing is displayed because within the parenthesis there is nothing written. But if I type print and run, it will give function print. So in order to print whatever is expected, parentheses are required. Now we will print 3 arguments. Print in parentheses in double quotes you are safe at home. Here we have passed 3 arguments. You are within quote is the first argument, safe is the second argument, at home is the third argument. Each argument is to be separated by a comma. We will run this code and see the output. The output is displayed as you are safe at home. As you have already understood, the quotes are not printed. Also, the comma, this comma and this comma which are not within the quotes are not printed. Now we'll try one exercise. Write a code to print the following. I study in SIS. The second example is output should be within the quotes and the statement is I am proud of my parents. The third example is if you run faster, comma, you may win. Here you have to use 3 arguments to print the output. Hope you have solved this. There are a few important terms which are used in Python. The first term is function. Function is a name of a block of code that we can call by using its name. For example, print is a function that we have called, and the function print knows that it has to print whatever is given in the parenthesis. Second term here is argument. Argument is a value which is passed to a function. It always comes in parenthesis. The third term is variable. Variable is a way to give name to the function or argument so that it can be used to place certain value. We'll use variable in the next tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, you have learned syntax of print function, parenthesis in print function, and arguments in a print function.